Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you really quickly and step by step how you can draw a vertical line and add it to your documents on Microsoft Word without any technical skills whatsoever, guys. It is very simple, so let us guide you through this. So as you can see, I added a vertical line like this here to my example document on Word. This is how you can model that, guys. So what you want to do is let me open a new page here just for the sake of this tutorial. So let me add another vertical line here. What you want to do, guys, to do this is switch from the Home tab to the Insert tab here in the top left. And here under Illustrations, make sure that you select the Shapes feature. And from there, from the drop-down menu, select your preferred shape, which in this case here would be a line. You can go with any of these, one with a pointed arrow or with double arrow or one like that, a curved one. So guys, if you'd like to draw a standard stabilized vertical line like that, simply go with the first option here with a line. And after that, simply draw it with your mouse by or while pressing and holding the left shift on your keyboard to stabilize the line. So let me do that really quickly. And once you're done, simply release your left mouse just like that. That's your line. Now you may of course customize it and edit it. Simply right click on your line and select Format Shape from that drop down menu here. And what you want to do after that is expand the line options or features here on the right panel. And for instance, customize your line by applying a custom color here. Like let's add a greenish color like that one here. You may also adjust the width. So to make it thicker, for example, now that's a much thicker line than that one here. Or you may adjust the transparency level, like for example, to make it barely visible, just like that. And so on and so forth, because you may, for example, keep customizing here. But that's basically it. That's how you add a vertical line to your document. You may also move it around here, of course. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time.